Hello, welcome to the homework review for homework 2.3, addition and subtraction relationships. ACE problems 8, 10, and 11 on pages 33 and 34. Today in class we talked about how any addition problem can be written as a subtraction problem and any subtraction problem can be written as an addition problem. So 3 plus 2 is really the same as 3 minus a positive 1, or 3 minus 2 is 3 plus a negative 2. So addition, you can add the opposite or subtract the opposite. So you can rewrite any addition problem as a subtraction and any subtraction problem as an addition. Why? Why do we care? Well, because some addition problems are easier than some subtraction problems, and some subtraction problems might be easier than addition problems. So if you rewrite it, you might be able to answer the question easier. And that's the case with some of these on our homework. So question 1 is a positive 50 plus a negative 35. They're opposite signs. This one, either way. You can either say it's positive 50 minus a positive 35, or you can just do 50 minus 35 and get a positive 15. Positive 50 minus a negative 20, that's definitely one that's easier to write as an addition. Minus a negative 20 is the same as adding a positive 20, so it's just 50 plus 20 or positive 70. Negative 19 minus 11 is the same as saying negative 19 plus negative 11, and then we know when we have adding the same signs, it's negative 11 plus negative 19 plus negative 11 for a negative 30. Negative 30 minus positive 50, same thing. I'd like to rewrite that one as an addition. Negative 30 plus a negative 50, same signs, just add them and take the sign, so that's a negative 80. Negative 35 plus negative 15, leave that one as it is, it's a negative 50. Positive 12 plus a negative 18, I think I would change that one to a subtraction. Positive 12 minus a positive 18, and it's negative 6. Either way on that one. Okay, for 10 and 10A, B, and C, the idea behind these questions is you should just be able to look at the numbers and tell which one's bigger, just by seeing, am I adding two positives, am I adding two negatives, am I adding a positive and a negative, and that will let you know which one's bigger. So in this case, I have roughly 5,000 plus a negative 7,000. So even if I say that's roughly 1,000, so roughly 5,000 plus a negative 1,000 is going to be like positive 4,000. But the next example is positive 5,000 minus a negative 768. Now I know that minus a negative is like adding, so I'm going to have 5,000 plus the 700, so that one's going to have to be bigger. On B, I have 1,700 minus a negative 80, so again, minus a negative is a plus, adding a positive, so that number is definitely going to be bigger than 1,760 minus 880. The last two is kind of tricky because actually they're both the same, because positive 1,500 plus a positive 3,141 is the same as positive 1,500 minus a negative 3,141. They're both exactly the same, so you're going to get the same answer. Without doing any calculations, determine whether each result is positive or negative. Same thing, remember our rules, remember what we think our answer is going to be, which is bigger, which is smaller, that'll help you figure it out. So if I have negative 23 plus a positive 19, it's an addition, my negative is bigger number than my positive, negative 23, the absolute value is bigger than the positive 19, so it's going to be negative. Positive 3.5 minus a negative 2.7, well, minusing a negative is going to make it a positive, so we're going to have positive 3 plus positive 2-ish, so it's going to be positive because you're adding two positive numbers. Before I forget, our secret word will be dance, D-A-N-C-E, because we're having a dance on Friday, and the benefits will go to the Animal Refuge League in the library. Dance, D-A-N-C-E. C, is a result going to be positive or negative? We have negative 3.5 minus a negative 2.04, so negative 3 minus a negative 2. It is going to be negative 3 plus a positive 2, but the negative 3 is still bigger, so it's going to be negative. And positive 3 plus a negative 6, you're adding unlike terms, so you subtract them, but the negative number is bigger, so it's going to be negative. So hopefully that wasn't too bad. We're going to keep practicing in class, and thank you for watching.